Hello everyone, so this is our turmeric. So we will plant this one today. Okay, this one is came from the basement. So look at that. So this is the turmeric. Okay, so now we will take some of this and then planted it in here. Yeah, there are many right now. Yep, it's good to see them. So that they will become mini, we'll do like this. Yeah, like that. Like that. That one. So this one also, because just because they are mini, we can do like this. That one, so that they will spreading more. Yeah, so when you see here, so this is the turmeric. That one, I like the turmeric tea. This one will be help in our body. So yeah, many say that this one will be help to lower the cholesterol. It's really good to use this type of now put this one in here, the other side. They're still here, so I'm gonna put this one over here because they are small, so we're gonna put like that. And then that one's small, so we will take that one off. So there is some turmeric here. They are big, so we're gonna take this one off and then spread so that they will become mini. That one. So here we're gonna put like that, and then this one also because it's a little long. Okay, we'll put like that. Yeah, every year I really planted the turmeric. Look at that. So I'm gonna do this one like this. That one.